Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Muazzam Manzoor, and now I'm going to teach you a very important subsection regarding your entrance test, and the name of this subsection is cellular respiration. First of all, I would like to give you the big picture of this particular subsection. इस subsection में सबसे पहले हम cellular respiration का overview discuss करेंगे, and secondly we will discuss in detail the glycolysis, और उसके बाद फिर हम pyruvic acid oxidation पे बात करेंगे, and then we'll talk about the Krebs cycle in detail. Afterwards we'll discuss electron transport chain, and we will conclude our discussion with this subsection by discussing the energy calculations regarding the cellular respiration. Let's start off with the overview of cellular respiration. I have a question for you at this stage, and the statement of the question is: during cellular respiration, carbon dioxide is produced due to oxidation of. A option is glucose, B option is water, C option is oxygen, and D option is glucose and oxygen. And the best response to this question is glucose. कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है बेसिकली सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन में वो ग्लूकोज की ऑक्सीडेशन से प्रोड्यूस होती है. Another question: in case of cellular respiration, water is produced during. A option is glycolysis, B option is Krebs cycle, C option is respiratory chain, and D option is Krebs cycle and respiratory chain. तो इन प्रोसेसेस में से वाटर किस के दौरान प्रोड्यूस होता है? एंड द बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज रेस्पिरेटरी चेन और द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन.